Hello friends, it gives me pleasure that I am taking it to meet AK7DOLL here.
Yes.
Perhaps AK7DOLL, this must be our
35th
meeting, I think. I'm not sure. Okay. Doll, invite the viewers.
Alright. Hey guys, it's your girl AK7DOLL TV and KonjaneramEnglish. Today we are going to be doing some questions.
We shall discuss here a few errors that are committed by a vast majority of non-native speakers. Errors.
So people who aren't like familiar with English.
Okay, fine. Okay, I'll read out the sentences. You must be able to find the errors there.
Okay, I will try to correct them.
Okay, fine. I've been working here since 5 years.
That sentence is incorrect. The correct sentence is I've been working here for the past 5 years.
Yes. When you speak about the duration, you must use for.
Yes.
When you speak about the time, you must use since. It has been raining since morning.
Yeah.
It has been raining since morning.
It's been sunny since morning.
Yes. It has been raining since morning, or it has been raining for the past 2 hours. You understand?
Yeah, I understood.
Okay. Next one. He is one of our partners.
He is one of our partners.
Okay. What is the mistake in he is one of our partner?
Partners.
Good. See, one represents one among many.
Yes.
Okay. He is one of our partners. Give. Next one. She don't know that.
She doesn't know that.
Yeah, she is a third person. So you must say doesn't.
Doesn't.
Okay, how will you correct it? She don't know that?
She don't know that. You have to say she doesn't know that.
Yeah. Next one. He suggested me some good ideas.
He suggested to me some good ideas.
Very good, very good. Suggest cannot take the indirect object straight. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Next one. Listen your elders' words.
Listen to your elders' words.
Good. Listen is intransitive. So you must always add to that. Listen to your elders' words. Good. Shall we break here for a while?
Yeah, let's keep a halt here.
Okay. Tell the viewers.
Alright. Yeah, we're going to keep a halt here and see you in the next collaboration video. Bye. See you in the next video.
Bye.
The same subject will be discussed in the next session as well.